It's been too long since we did anything with this car. So today we're gonna fix the starter because it's been stuck here in this spot for like the past week and a half because the starter is not aligned properly. Alright, I got it running. Honestly, it sounds like it's misfiring, but let's go take a drive and put some gas in her and see what she sounds like. Blake coming in clutch as always. He had a belt laying around, so let's continue this process. Why doesn't it work like how it looks on YouTube? Alright, so it took me about a week to suck it up and go to Havana and collect this belt, but it's finally on. But now I'm running into another issue. So this piece goes onto the power steering pump and it's held on by 2 bolts. 1, 2. I only got 1. So now I gotta go find one of these bolts, but now since I'm gonna get that, I might as well get whatever other bolts I need. So I'm gonna take a quick inventory and go get those. I don't want to keep this lingering. We got an event on Saturday. It's Klutch Kickers fun day again. So I want to make sure the car is completely sorted. I'm not going back over there without power steering. So make sure I get this right. Bet y'all ain't heard this run in a minute, have you? Oh, y'all probably ain't seen him in a minute either. Look at this. Look, 1 finger. Ooh, that boy got no power steering now, man. Alright, I need to cut it off though. Alright, so we got a wee bit of a leak, but it's because of a hose clamp somewhere in between. It's in there, just take my word for it. So, but other than that, we got power steering. And that's crazy to think of because it's like y'all already know, this car's been abandoned and sitting for a while. And even before it was sitting, it didn't have power steering. So, for the first time in, I think it's safe to say 15 years, probably, this car has power steering. Mind blowing to think of. Y'all see the trailer? Yeah, alright, we almost done. Got Blake picked up. Yo. For reasons being, today's Sunday. Let's go get the car. Alright. Running, she got power steering this time. Let's try this again. It's gonna be a fun Sunday. Yes, sir. Can I take this back? I don't want to do this anymore. Blake, tell him I need them to suck the gas back out. I don't want to do this no more. No, this is too much. It's $70 over here. Where we at over there?
We got $35 here on dot.
Man, so we at 100.
That's why I don't got no kids right there.
Man, we got $105 in gas, and then $100 for the event. All right, 2 hours later, we here, B. Got the big bros. What's up, y'all boys? Hey, yeah. Hey. All right.
know, right?
Oh man, that was sick, bro.
Not so bad.
Oh, it's back. So we're having voltage issues. Seems like the battery don't have enough oomph to start the car to get us back. So I guess we're taking the battery out the truck.
So what's going on?
Well, the Z decided that it didn't like the battery that it has anymore, so we got to take this one out, which is proving to be difficult.
And this is our ride home tow vehicle. So, if alternator's dead, we're SOL. But we have jumper cables.
The things I do to drive, man. Alright, so I had to let Blake take a little whip. A little whip. Alright, well, apparently they decided to shut Klutch Kickers down a couple hours early, like an hour and a half early. Well, I guess maybe like 45 to an hour early. But packed up, I'm about to head out, but I think we got one more stop to make before we head home. So I know I said we was gonna make a stop on the way home, but it got late and the stop was actually 2 hours added to the trip home, so that was I didn't feel like dealing with that, so we'll go another day. But this concludes our day going back to Klutch Kickers. This is my third time there at that track now driving, and I had a blast. It was so fun, and it did exactly what the name said. It was a fun day. Shout out to everybody watching. Appreciate y'all watching. This is probably gonna be like a little bit of a talking segment, just for me to go over a couple of things that I noticed and stuff that I could do with the car to make it better. But if this is where I bid you adieu, then I appreciate you. I'm gonna see you in the next one. But for everybody else that's gonna stick around for the conversation, I appreciate it. But long story short, I really can't believe that this car has power steering and no issues. Like, the rack on this car, the lines was not covered. It was open the entire time, the whole 15 years that it's been sitting in this car. And I just put some lines on it and put fluid in it, and it works. So I'll take it. I'll take whatever one I could get. So the next step for the car, I think it's time to add some angle to it. I've been looking, and I almost sucked it up and bought some aftermarket knuckles a few times, but my thing with this car, I really don't want to overbuild it, because when you overbuild a car for drifting, you miss key stepping stones that, you know, makes you a better drifter. I watch a lot of Chelsea Denofa and, you know, Adam LZ and all these guys, and, you know, I even watch Adam LZ completely build, you know, his S15, and then he went off to Ebisu with Aaron and, you know, all the Lone Star guys. And then when he came back, he was like, okay, I completely overbuilt the car and I want something that's simple. And, you know, even though nothing he has is simple, it's a point that, you know, he learned and he went through, and it's a stepping stone that he took that was necessary in his learning curve, and you see where he is now. So, but yeah, either way, we're gonna be buying a welder here pretty soon. I think I know which one I'm gonna get, but I'll save that for when I get it. Yeah, but when we get the welder, we'll be cutting the knuckles and making them so they have more angle. If you've never heard about it, make sure you click the subscribe button and stay tuned, because this is gonna be the most budget friendly way to go drifting. I mean, I spent roughly $300 this weekend, and I mean that's honestly not bad. You know, I think I've spent more the last couple events, so we're starting to get it down. But that's about it. Thank you everyone that came up to me over at Klutch Kickers and said hi. Really low-key an introvert. I know I look like I know a lot of people, and I come off like, you know, is really friendly, but you know, if you don't talk to me, I ain't gonna talk to you. But thank you again, guys. You know, it helps me with, you know, that little awkwardness that I feel going up to people and talking to them. You know, I try to get out of it, but it don't always come off that way. But either way, thank you, appreciate it. It was awesome. I can't wait. I still can't believe this car is running, dude. Like, if you guys ain't seen this video up here in the corner, you need to go watch it. It's been getting a lot of hits lately, but either way. Oh, and I'm sorry I didn't have any outside angles. You know, I was really just focused on driving, so I'm glad I even got the footage I got here to give y'all. But either way, done ranting, rant over. Appreciate y'all boys, appreciate y'all girls, appreciate y'all aliens. Whoever's watching this, thank you. I appreciate it. Make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the little bell and press all. Make sure you're getting all the notifications, because I'm trying to up the post, and you guys see the little overlay with the music. You know, if the flight from Tunisia isn't playing right now, then, you know, it's not that kind of outro. But either way, thank you. I'll see you guys in the next one.